Greetings from Ellingson Motorcars here in Rogers, Minnesota. Today we're going to look at one of the hottest trends out there right now, a Toyota Land Cruiser with a small block Chevy in it. Tell you more details in a minute. Greetings from Ellingson Motorcars here in Rogers, Minnesota. Today we're going to look at probably one of the neatest trends that people are doing today is they're taking the Toyota Land Cruisers and they're putting small block Chevys and doing all the bells and whistles to them, just like this one right here. This is a 1970 Toyota Land Cruiser with absolutely beautiful paint from top to bottom. The paint is impeccable. Not only have they done a good job with that, but under the hood as well, you're going to see in the videos that this thing has got a small block Chevy with lots of performance upgrades to really make this thing run like a top. Beautiful tires. All new tires with the steel wheels painted to match the black with the frame and the bumpers and all that stuff. One of those custom made seats that I probably haven't seen very often, but boy, they are really nice and they are super comfortable. Also has lots and lots of good interior things as well with the original gauges and whatnot. And it is a 4x, so you can take this thing out wherever you want to go. It's going to get you through thick and thin, over hill and dale, as they would say. So it's got a brand new soft top as well as put on it. Spare tires in the back here. Roll cage, just for that safety factor, is still in place. But other than that, it's an extremely solid body as well. All steel, whatnot, with the beautiful yellow, bright yellow paint. So it is a standout in a crowd. So if you're looking for one of the latest trends is the Toyota Land Cruisers, we've got one right here at Ellingson's in Rogers, Minnesota, amongst our 85 plus, almost 100 cars now on our indoor sales room floor. You can visit all of our cars online at www.ellingsonmotorcars.com, where we'll have videos, information, everything from these kind of custom Toyotas to muscle cars, street rods, even some old original stockers. If you're looking for original, we have them as well. We're open Monday through Saturday from 10 until 5. Come and take a look. We're not opposed to having you come to Minnesota any time of year, heated and cooled for whatever season we happen to be in. You can also find us on YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram. Lots of information out there for us. All our cars are online. We'd love to have you take a look. And if you're looking for something that is absolutely freshly done, it is really, really nice. We've got a Toyota 1970 Land Cruiser right here on the sales floor. Come and take a look.